Office of Michael Garcia. Our office hours are Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. If you have reached this message, we are temporarily out of the office or on another line. If you would leave your name, number, and a detailed message, we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling. Goodbye.
Tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, Michael Garcia. This is Dr. Heidi Woodick. Hey, I'm asking for you today, in case 15 CR 1287, if you could please look through the psych evaluations, the competency, especially Allison Kennedy's. I mean, anyone in their rightful mind can read through this. If they have any legitimacy to law or medicine, anything. I mean, this Allison Kennedy's report is absolutely absurd. She's stating that I'm mentally ill only because of my education, that I'm delusional for calling myself a doctor, and that my friends are. And she has fabricated and put things in here that are so outrageously deranged to the facts of my life. And she doesn't have any facts to the case, and then she's saying that I'm delusional to the facts of the case. However, she had nothing. The other thing, I think you need to look at this, because if we go through another competency evaluation, this could pose a major lawsuit for you and them as well. But I need you to step up and cancel this whole thing. I need you to read them, because they are significantly, horrifically perjured. And it's very obvious. It's not just like some discrepancy. It's black and white obvious. I sent you an email. My education, I do hold a doctorate in medicine. And I'll be happy to call the school. Those are not delusions. As well as she knows that I'm very competent to the law and to the basics of law. However, that means that I'm competent to proceed. So please look over these evaluations. I have a copy of them if you need me to come down and drop you off a copy, but I need you to file right away for the competency hold to be dismissed and evaluation. I think once you read these evals, you'll see exactly why. It's pretty black and white obvious. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that it's all perjured. And if you need some more education sent to you, I'll be happy to send it. But I'm going to get evals. This lady was also stating I was mentally ill due to my friends calling me doctor, and that their affiliations to Hollywood. And they do have family as well as me in Hollywood and friends. So if you can please give me a call today, I would greatly appreciate it. 719-214-1181, 214-1181, or 281-5748. 281-5748. I'll look forward to your call. Have a great day. Bye-bye. And today is December 23rd, 2016. It is 7:19 a.m.
And the affiliations of me, having the affiliations of family members as in Hollywood and friends, especially the family members. I mean, there's no delusion to that. Yet this Michael Garcia went to court January 6, 2017 and told the judge that that message was threatening to him. And Mr. Garcia was treating me horribly. Act very, very rude, caustic, and peril on court video. When all I'm doing is asking him to review the facts, sit down with me, and let's discuss this, and to stop the judicial abuse happening to me. He still to this day has not contacted me to meet with me. Today is January 10th, 2017, and he still hasn't contacted me. He's been my attorney since the 22nd of December. He's had plenty of time to get a hold of me, and he still hasn't. All of my communication has been recorded, and I've never threatened him. I don't appreciate you false reporting, Mr. Garcia, and Kala Bouvais, and you, William Alexander. This is why we record everything, so we can prove who's really acting professionally and who isn't, and who's really delusional and who isn't.